Good afternoon, YouTube. Daniel Medina. I am in Glendale today, 51st Avenue in Bell, and I'm doing an open house at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1770 square foot. This home has been done correctly. I can tell when a remodel has been done well and when it's not been done well, and this one has been done well. So I'm going to go ahead and just flip the screen, and I'm going to give you a quick tour. This is the front of the house. They put a finish on the concrete. Looks like this has been painted. Those drawers are awesome. The wall in the back, great for organizing. This is a block home. The flooring has been excellent. There's no wobble or bubbles in any of it. It's very solid, very thick, nice carpet. Paint has been done well. This is a large laundry room to an exit. That was the entrance. And then we have storage sheds as well here. And then a double RV gate. This is a non-HOA neighborhood, which are my favorites. And this is your kind of family room, living, kitchen. This is the master to the right. Looks like we have 2 closets there. Nice, tastefully redone, quality work. The other 2 bedrooms are directly in front. Wood-burning fireplace. We have a patio in the back here. And then we have a nice gazebo as well, some brickwork here. And then a nice 10,000 square foot yard. You could do a pool, could do a playground, you could do mini golf. The air conditioner on the roof has been inspected. It has come out in excellent condition. So these I'm going to be posting these from regularly now, and I hope you enjoy it. If you're coming to the Phoenix area from out of state, I hope that I have the opportunity to earn your business. If you have questions, concerns, comments, feel free to contact me from the information below, and I'll be happy to do my best. Hope you have a great New Year's. All my best. Thank you.